Hi, I'm Justin Thames, Director of Governmental Affairs for the Florida Institute of CPAs, and welcome to Impact Report, your update on all things impacting the CPA profession here in Tallahassee. So in the last few days of the legislative session, the session has been extended until next week to finalize the budget. Before we get into some updates on several of the bills that we've been tracking this session, I want to talk about one issue in particular. House Bill 867, which is the CPA bill, the public accounting bill that we've talked to you about, that includes the retired CPA status and the CPE reciprocity. You may recall that bill is going to be voted on in the Senate today for final vote in the Senate. It included some language that was sent over from the House of Representatives that deals with performance audits for local governments. Senator Gruters, our champion over in the Senate, has added language to the bill that clarifies the language for performance audits for local governments to ensure that it doesn't conflict with professional standards. Now, this bill will leave the Senate today and be heard in the House for a final vote and then sent to the governor. Sometime today, you should have received or are receiving an email from us asking you to contact your state representative to ask them to vote yes on 867. Once you get that email, please make sure you contact your state representative immediately and ask them to vote on House Bill 867. Now, we appreciate your support on this, and it's crucial that you take action as soon as you get this email or the email that we sent you previously. Outside of that bill, some key things that you want to know about that we've been keeping you apprised of. The tax package has had a dramatic shift in the last couple days. Instead of the reduction of business rent tax, they've had to pull that back because of the coronavirus issues and how it's going to impact the economy. They have to scale back several other provisions in the tax package. So we're going to see much more streamlined tax package over before the end of session. In addition to that, the dereg bill, the general deregulation bill that we've talked about that had a minimal impact on the profession, it predominantly dealt with licensure by endorsement. That bill has passed and it will go to the governor for his signature. That's a key issue for the governor, and they've been trying to get that bill passed for a couple of years. The other deregulation bills that we've talked about seem to be stalled for the moment. The sunset review bill looks less likely to pass as the days go on. And then also the sunrise review bill that we've mentioned a couple of times, that bill looks like it will not pass this year as well. That doesn't mean that they're done forever. We'll probably see both of those provisions come back next year, and we'll certainly stay engaged on those issues. Thank you for your time, and thank you for all your support during this legislative session. If you have any questions, email us at govaffairs@ficpa.org, and we'll give you an update on everything that happened after session is over, probably next Friday or the week after. Thanks again.